is start with a garter tab cast on, and you're going to cast on 5 stitches. And then you're going to knit 10 rows. So we'll do that quickly here. So now that we have 10 rows, we're going to knit across the top 5 there. And then we're going to insert our left hand needle into these stitches right here that we're going to put in. So you've got these 5 kind of bumps. You can put it into the purl bumps, the ones kind of going like this. You can, if you prefer to put it in these ones, the ones that are kind of going across like that, it's up to you really. Whatever is easier for you to see and grab, then go with that, okay? So you pick those up on your left hand needle, and that just makes it much easier for you to have a consistent edge. And then you just knit them. You knit those 5 stitches, and then you're going to knit 5 stitches across the bottom edge, and you want to look at your V's and see where you have those cast-ons, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to pick those up and stick your needle in underneath those V's. That's 1, 2, 3, there you go, 4 and 5. And your cast on tail, that'll show you, hey, that's where I started, so that's where you're going to end up. And it's going to be this funny looking little blotch of a of a thing. And here's what it's going to look like. You're going to have 15 stitches, and you're going to have those 5 garter rows in the middle, and then your back is going to have your edge, and you're going to have your edging. Depending on where you picked up along that edging, you may have more here on your wrong side, and you're going to have your cast on edge over here. That's the wrong side of your work, okay? And that is your garter tab.